Good stop. There you go. Can you back him up a little bit? Can you back him up nice? Gently. There you go. Atta girl. Good girl. Alright, now trot off. Trot off. Atta girl. Good boy, Pistol. Kind of stay around me so I can video him a little bit. The sun is... Just kind of go in between these jumps, honey. Just stay around these jumps here.
Okay, stay around the circle?
Yeah.
Okay,
Hey, buddy. The sun is making my video. Now ask him to whoa. Good boy. Now give him a little pat. You're a good boy. Now trot off. Forward has never been Pistol's problem. That's for sure. Now walk. Now just walk. Let me get a little video of him walking.
What?
Let me get a little video of him doing a walk. Oh yeah, it's wet there. Be careful.
Yeah, it's a little wet.
Yeah, it's just, we got all that rain. Can you whoa again? And release. There. Now back him up. Easy, Lauren.
Sorry.
There you go. Okay, just stand for a second. Let me video around his... Whoops. Yeah, it's really wet out here. Just stand. He's standing kind of kitty-wampus. Pistol, you're a good boy. Yeah, you're funny.